Best deals.
1. Brush. Sweep away dirt and debris with ease using the 18-inch wide brush head, providing you with maximum coverage in a single stroke. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pan. Thick cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention for perfectly cooked meals. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Collapsible water bottles. With an innovative twist and fold design, folding and unfolding the travel water bottle is smooth and quick. Designed with a secure, tight-fitting lid and body. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Paniyaram pan. Perfect for making up, paniyarakkal, egg and cheese balls, chocolate walnut muffins, spicy veg Manchurian and many more. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron paniyaram pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Rice storage container. Specially designed to create a tight seal that blocks out moisture, pests, and external odors. Whether you are storing rice, flour, pulses, or other pantry staples, the anti-clockwise twist lid locks in freshness and prevents spoilage caused by damp air or humidity. Designed to hold up to 15 kilograms of rice, flour, pulses, grains, or other dry food items, this container offers ample storage for everyday use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Organizer stand. The 3-tier bathroom countertop organizers and storage stand is made of high-quality metal, which can withstand heavy loads and maintain stability. The shelf is sturdy to use and easy to clean, rust-proof and waterproof, no need to install and freestanding. This multipurpose storage rack for kitchen shelf and bathroom vanity or dresser stand can be used to keep items accessible and organized. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Steamer. The steamer has a glass lid that lets you see the food while it cooks without lifting the lid, also comes with a steam vent which could let steam escape. Steamer is dishwasher safe and simple to clean. This cookware has 2 steaming layers. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Strainer. With its true 2100 ml large capacity, this yogurt maker prepares enough thick, fresh curd for a family of 4 in one single batch, making daily meals easier and more convenient. The yogurt strainer can be used to make yogurt, cheese and sauces. It also can be used to filter nut milk, juice and yogurt. It can even be used as a tea filter. You can use it as a fruit carrying box when removing the strainer. With a large capacity of 1100 milliliters, the food yogurt strainer bottle can hold a large amount of yogurt. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Electric coffee grinder. Grind more at once with a 35 grams hopper, ideal for multiple cups without constant refilling. Whether you are brewing for yourself or friends, enjoy uninterrupted grinding sessions at home, camping, or the office. Enjoy true coffee freedom with a rechargeable 1800 mAh battery. One full charge grinds up to 15 to 20 times. Compact and cordless. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Tadka pan. Non-stick surface ensures quick and easy cooking, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter. With its compact 10 cm size, this fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch, offering safe and convenient handling while cooking. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Chopping board. Features a convenient drip tray that collects juices and liquids, keeping your kitchen clean and tidy. Smooth surface won't damage or dull your knives, ensuring precise and efficient cutting. Stylish and attractive natural wood finish complements any kitchen decor. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glovesmiths offers 3-layer heat protection with 275 GSM felt and silver coated fabric with foam. Durable piped edges and a handy hanging loop make it perfect for everyday kitchen use. Usable for holding hot utensils, in ovens and microwaves, for barbecue and grills. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Casserole. Made from healthy ceramic coating, which is free from PFAS, PFOA, leads and chemicals, it ensures worry-free cooking and is sizzle-ready for hassle-free use. Pot is specially crafted for style, durability, and functionality. It features toxin-free ceramic coating and a toughened glass lid. Ergonomic Bakelite handles provide a soft touch, cool and heat-proof grip. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Infuser Bottle. Elegant and unique bottle design gets everyone around you talking. It helps you drink your favorite fruit-infused brews anywhere. Retains the original beverage flavor. Perfect detox brews in just 5 minutes. This infuser bottle will help you drink your favorite fruit-infused detox brews in style. Sleek and stylish design of this bottle will get you a lot of attention. Unique design and finishing gives this bottle a premium look. This infuser bottle comes with a unique time markings on the exterior, which can help you monitor your daily water intake. This bottle will help you drink more water and rejuvenate your body. This infuser bottle sipper lid has an innovative filter screen that blocks bitter seeds and fruit pulp when you drink. The design of this bottle is small enough to fit perfectly into your hand. Rubber grip on this infuser bottle ensures you will have a perfect hand grip. Carry this bottle easily for outdoor walks, sports or workouts with ease. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Storage Cabinet. Maximize your bathroom space with this sleek and compact wall-mounted shelf, perfect for small or cluttered areas. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant materials to ensure long-lasting use in humid environments. Ideal for storing toiletries, bottles, towels, razors, and other bathroom essentials. Adds a clean, contemporary touch to your bathroom decor while keeping it organized. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Chopper. Chopper is made of high-quality material. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. The vegetable chopper container is made from a quality, food-grade, and BPA-free plastic. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs, and cream. Designed for diverse chopping needs. Ultra-sharp chopping blade and beater for chopping veggies, nuts, and herbs, and making salsas, condiments, dressings, and more. 3 sharp stainless steel blades, blade protector, beater, spatula, a capacious container, and a detachable lid for seamless chopping. The chopper can be easily disassembled for thorough cleaning. The BPA-free tool features a simple eco-friendly design for ease of use. Regulate the chopping speed according to your preference, low speed for a coarse finish and high speed for a fine finish. Crafted from high-quality BPA-free ABS plastic, this chopper is built to last. Product link is given in the 16th link.